This is the famous Eko Tutu market. Nenu Eko Tutu Munnem, Nenu Ife Biafra mere Eko Tutu Nzetobo Sigwe.
This is what Biafra looks like.
Yes.
Our people now fear. You're seeing it with your eyes. This is what Biafra looks like. And you appear on social media, not total anti. But look at it. Desolation, mayhem, anarchy, chaos. When I need genuine now fear, about where I want a ghost town. One of the busiest markets in Imo State. Just a ghost town. Because of Nainacho Biafra. I know a push for agitation. Naina Zobai, Nana Shunde Fulani. Kelon de Fulani na be a call to nobody. Kelon de Fulani na be a call to. I name more why. Banana walk on has some man. It's quite unfortunate. I don't feel life and direct. Life and direct, Kaino. Ne call to. Nenania, a benine. I like a sense of one single soul. Oh, one idiot. I'm sorry to call the person an idiot, but the person is an idiot. So be it. How can you reason like that? Just look at here. Empty. The only sound they are no hear sound of Egwe. No, since in yes. The only sound don't know now Egwe. Or for they could not explosives near any gas in Nana. It's a shame.
They
did it in my own community. If not for the fact that
just look at it. Market stalls, opportunities. I go to buy and I go to buy. I never make see opportunities I created by ourselves. Our government creating all this market. Our own effort and ingenuity can the way develop all this market. I delay our stupidity and our hatred for government through a year. Or going in a team agitation, can't you do it? Or where will you destroy your own? How many millions of protein? Yes, you need.
You may have Biafra.
Yes. Organize.
He's a very big. He's a campus inside down. Okay.
That place. That is a private building. Look at how big this market is. Look at how big the market is.
Bush, Kebani never. Grading, grade.
the third one every year I grade
Grading Kaka grade.
Every
year, might be born or see release here.
Oh, yeah, now.
How am I going to say that on man the cardinal why have to tie also?
And also Bufu, no Sake Bufia. Nchame Ribo Nchame.
Hey,
you have also maintenance. Maintenance.
Here, Protagara maintenance, Unubi.
Unubina.
Because that is abandoned.
Yes. Eba he send the Biafra na machine.
Yes. Okay, we're going to go to the machine now. That machine now.
Video machine now. There isi ordinary that the first exit of this here all be here. You know here.